Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is an update for the June earnings, which we will be putting into the Wealthsimple trade TFSA trade portfolio on my channel. If you are new to the channel, what I'm doing is I have a small YouTube channel that I run. I am taking my YouTube AdSense revenue from that channel and investing it in a Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio, trying to grow my YouTube earnings up into $100,000. We're on the third month now. So for the month of June, I had a grand total of subscriber count is 7,469 on my other channel. And so there was a growth of about 500 subscribers, which is good. That being said, the earnings were down a little bit. Now I think it's a little bit partly due to it being summer, and with the current environment, everything seems to be starting to kind of open up a little bit. So I think people are probably getting out a little bit more and not necessarily at home watching YouTube videos. So my views and revenue was down. Revenue was down about 2%. So for the month of June, my grand total revenue was $681.89. This might get reconciled a little bit. That's what YouTube is reporting right now. Sometimes I notice by the time the payment comes through, for whatever reason, something gets reconciled. Maybe it's the exchange rate or something like that into Canada, but it might adjust a little bit. But what I'll be doing this week coming up is doing a deposit for $681.89, and then we will be investing that into our TFSA stock portfolio, doing a few new purchases. So hopefully you will follow along. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It's free to subscribe, follow along. If you are a YouTube creator, it's a good way to kind of learn and try and learn different ways to invest your YouTube earnings if you're able to. So it would be great to have you follow along. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in next week. We will do the deposit and we'll purchase our new stocks. Thanks for watching.